These colors are so easy. My 3-year-old cousin knows them. Can you do better? Let's find out. First one. Black. Second one. Pink. Third one. White. Like this video if those were child's play for you. Stay tuned for the bonus question. Fourth one. Brown. Fifth one. Gray. Sixth one. Sky blue. Subscribe and hit that bell so you're the first to see it. Seventh one. Gold. Eighth one. Navy. Bonus question. What two primary colors do you mix to get green? Drop your score and the bonus answer in the comments. And share this with a friend to see if they can beat your score. Last one.